Hey, good morning. So, a couple of things to call out this morning. In terms of spending activity domestically, we did get the MasterCard US holiday retail sales spending pulse data. So, they look at the period from November 1st through December 24th. They look at total spending, retail. So, this is ex auto, ex gas. But otherwise it's comprehensive. It includes basically everything that's spent on a card as well as cash and check. And for comparison purposes, this period last year, so November 1st through December 24th of 2020, total retail sales were up 2.4%. So this year, that number is up 8.5%. So pretty good acceleration. And actually, if we compare this year to 2019, total sales up 10.7%. And some of the categories that are worth sort of calling out here, we saw in-store sales rebound pretty sharply. So obviously 2020 was the year of online. In-store bounced back to being up 8.1% year over year and is actually now up a little bit, 2.5% versus 2019 levels. They also break out some of the key categories, and some of the reversals here are pretty stark. So if you look at apparel, apparel from November 1st through December 24th last year was down 19.1% year over year. This year it's up 47.3%. So department stores went from being down 10.2 to being up 21.2. Electronics went from being up 6 to up 16. And jewelry went from being down 4 to up 32%. So obviously 21 holiday season, very different than holiday season in 2020. Next thing to call out is just this sort of, ongoing disinflationary impulse globally in the form of these shipping rates, principally from China to various parts of the world, the US East Coast, West Coast, Mediterranean, and Europe broadly. All of these are slowing pretty significantly on a year-over-year rate of change basis. The levels themselves haven't really been coming off much, but they are starting to plateau. So obviously from a rate of change standpoint, they are slowing down, and they are leading indicators for global inflation. The final thing to call out is just on the sort of COVID front. We've been keeping an eye on these South African COVID numbers, which continue to, from a case count standpoint, drop precipitously. And from a more somber note on the South African new confirmed death side, those numbers are starting to pick up, but doing so at what appears to be a slower rate than what we've seen with previous waves. So we'll keep an eye on that.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there, subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.